Hey everyone, this is Or from Wicked Cushions, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the earpads on your Sony WH1000XM4 headphones. The process is going to be super simple. All you're going to need is a non-sharp butter knife and a pair of replacement earpads. So let me move you to the top of the table and I'll show you exactly how to replace your earpads. Alright, so we're going to start. It's going to be super simple. As I said, all you're going to need is a non-sharp butter knife and a pair of replacement earpads. I'm only going to show you one side, which is going to be the left side, the sensor side, because that's the only one that's a little bit special. And then the other side is self-explanatory. So the first step to remove the old earpad, you're simply going to grab the butter knife and you see this gap right here in between the plastic and the earpad. You're going to shove the knife in between that gap. Now, you don't want to shove the butter knife exactly where the sensor is. You want to shove it all around the earpad until the earpad slowly separates everywhere around besides that sensor spot. So I'm going to start with this side, and just slowly you will hear the earpad pop up every time I release a hook from its slot. And after several sides, it will just be easy to remove. All you gotta do, just pull it out. That is it. You're gonna keep this foam inside. Now let's grab the replacement earpad. All right, so it's self-explanatory with the left one. The top side is obviously the sensor side, but the bottom side on the other earpad, because you won't have a sensor, you will be able to tell which side is the bottom by looking at this flap. This flap is flat at the bottom. Now, the way that these earpads stay in place is, if you can see here, there are several slots all across the ear cup. And there are hooks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hooks on the earpad itself that correspond with these slots. So what you want to do is you want to grab the earpad like this while feeling the hook. So I'm feeling this hook with this index finger. And then you want to align it, and you're basically going to push the hook underneath the slot. And you will hear a clicking sound sometimes you won't hear a clicking sound. But once you go around, you will be able to push these hooks into the slots by just feeling them. If you heard this click right now, that means it's in. There's another one. There's another one. And then you just want to go around the earpad, push it, and that's it. It's securely in place. And then you're going to do the same thing for the other side, and that's it. Oh hey, didn't see you there. Even though I was the one that pressed the record button. I was just playing around with these beautiful Geo Gray Sony XM4 earpads that I have right here. And if you've been watching this video and you're wondering to yourself where you can actually get replacement earpads for the Sony XM4, the answer is us, Wicked Cushions. We make them. If you want to try out our upgraded Sony XM4 earpads, which are thicker, softer, and are going to prevent your ears from touching the drivers, simply click at the link at the top right corner right now or in the description below. Go check us out and let us know what you think. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me. And that is it for today's video, everyone. I hope that it was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment in the comment section below. If you need any additional help, you can always contact us with the contact information in the description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this every month. I hope that you get to enjoy your new XM4 earpads. I will see you in the next video. Meanwhile, stay wicked, my friends.